Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Fan Edition. And this Fan Edition line from Samsung started with the Galaxy S20, which was a total sales success. Who remembers that? It sold a lot, especially when Samsung brought the version with the Snapdragon 865 to Brazil. It sold like water and had a low price, a good price, very competitive. It sold a lot, really a lot, man. I think I've never seen a Samsung device sell as much as the S20 Fan Edition. Comment below if you or anyone you know didn't have this device. Then came the S21 Fan Edition. The Snapdragon version also sold well since the old Samsung processors had a poor reputation. They also used to overheat a lot, so people avoided them, stayed away. So when the Snapdragon version came out, everyone went for it. It was a hit. The S21 Fan Edition also sold well. Complaints about the S23 Fan Edition mainly focused on the battery and its less appealing price. Same with the S24 Fan Edition. The price wasn't competitive. Now they've released the S25 Fan Edition, which is this one here, and the price of the S24 started to drop, making it a more viable option. And this one here, which was just released, the S25 Fan Edition, of course, its price came in high too, which ends up scaring some people away. To be able to buy a device for 4,000 or 5,000 rate, I've even seen it for 5,000 at launch. Now you can find it for a little over 4,000. It's still expensive. I think around 2,400 to 2,500 reais would be a much more competitive price for this device. I'm not sure if or when it will reach that price. Here's the link to buy it tax-free in Brazil. By using the link, you really help me out. I'll also leave the link for you to enter the giveaway for this guy here. 8 gigabytes of RAM, which is the only option for this device, and 512 gigs of storage, okay? In blue color, shipping and taxes included for Brazil and worldwide, entries starting at 4 reais. I'll leave all the links here in the video description, and let's go leave a like, it really helps a lot. Check if you're still subscribed to the channel, as YouTube may have removed your subscription. Enable the notification bell to stay updated and share this video to help out, okay? Now, let's get to our unboxing and initial review with first impressions of this launch, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Fan Edition. Let's get to the video, let's go. Starting the unboxing, there's a gray box with a side profile image of the product matching the S25 family's style. They're identical model below and a side label with international mobile equipment identity codes and version. Opening the box, we see the smartphone right away, and hidden under the lid, inside the lid, there's an envelope with all the paperwork, an ejector pin, and a USB Type-C cable on both ends. Here in Europe, guys, as you already know, the version that's officially sold here doesn't come with a charger in the box. The version sold in Brazil will include the 45-watt charger, the maximum power in the box, including its supported one. Also, it supports wireless charging at 15 watts, very good. With the smartphone ready, we get a 6.7-inch low-temperature polycrystalline oxide active matrix organic light-emitting diode 2X display, 120 Hz refresh rate, high dynamic range 10 plus, and 1900 nits peak brightness. It has a great grip so I can hold it easily. It weighs 190 grams and is 7.4 millimeters thick. It's a very slim device. Navy blue, a darker shade, is Samsung's standard color. It's beautiful, but I felt it lacked some innovation in the design, especially in the drawing. The back of the device looks almost identical to previous generations. This time, no pad on the back. It won't get off unscathed. The right side has the power and volume buttons. The top features an infrared sensor and noise-canceling microphone. The left side is completely smooth, there's nothing there. At the bottom are a dual nano SIM tray for 5G microphone, USB Type-C port, and stereo speaker. Now, talking about artificial intelligence, this smartphone already comes with Galaxy Artificial Intelligence pre-installed, which is actually one of the best artificial intelligence assistants available on the market. It works well and is fully integrated with Google Gemini, which is excellent. You just need to hold down the power button and it will automatically open Gemini. And you can ask for whatever you want right there, either by typing or speaking as well. The photo editing part is also really good. You can edit the photos, it turns out great, a spectacle, it's really good. You can make a drawing and ask it to add that drawing to the image as well, which is kind of a fun feature, but it's really good. It recognizes any doodle there. It already knows what you're trying to draw, it interprets it and adds it to your image as well, which is really cool. So, in short, when it comes to artificial intelligence, you'll be very well served with this device. The battery has 4,900 mAh and isn't silicon carbon. Its performance is good, but I think it could be a little better. For average use, maybe by the end of the day, you'll need to charge the device. I say maybe because it depends on each person's usage. Here for my usage, which isn't that hardcore, I might last all day on one charge, but you, who use it more and play more games, may not. Personally, I don't play at any time of the day. But you playing games, consuming media content, audio, images, and transitions, that's going to use up more battery. So it might be that by the end of the day, you'll need to charge your phone to still have battery left at night when you get home. That really depends on how each person uses it. In my processor test with this device, the 4nm Exynos 2400 really surprised me. Scoring over 2.2 million points on Antutu honestly surprised me a lot. I wasn't expecting that much. I was expecting between 1,500,000, 1,600,000 points, but now 2,200,000. It was a great score, honestly. Heated to 41.8 degrees and lost 9% battery. This test shows the battery drained a lot. 9% is significant. Let's run some footage now playing with it. First, Asphalt Legends with graphics on max. You can see it there, right guys? Runs smoothly with no issues. Call of Duty Mobile also runs smoothly with max graphics. No lag, no freezing, no delay at all. Very good as well. Guys, it's running really smoothly. I'll say it again for you. This performance really surprised me. I wasn't expecting this much. Everything is running very smoothly, fluid, really well. This device has IP68 certification, allowing submersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes without damage. As I always say, I don't recommend doing that. It's just added protection for your device. As for the operating system, we already have one user interface 8 running with Android 16 on the device. And of course, it also comes with near-field communication connectivity to make contactless payments. The fingerprint unlock on the screen works very well, and the facial unlock too. Both are fast and work perfectly. There are 3 versions of this smartphone. As I said before, this has 8GB RAM and 512GB storage. There's also an 8/128 and 8/256 version. Now, why they only put 8, I don't know. It could maybe be 12 or 16. That would be more ideal. Now it's 8 gigs, though I'm not sure why. It doesn't allow memory expansion, but supports 2 nano SIMs, 5G, and 2 eSIMs. You can only have 2 active connections at once. Now let's test its audio and video. Let's go guys, audio test here on the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition in 2160 resolution. Let's rotate the screen. Use the pinch gesture, turn up the brightness and set the volume to maximum. And there it is for you. Stereo sound. Guys, the audio and picture on this device are great, but the audio stood out to me more. The screen, I think it could use a bit more brightness in my opinion, but its audio is excellent. Very good, very clear, a well-balanced sound, nothing distorts in the bass. Really good. Honestly, I really liked its audio. The screen really could use a bit more brightness, but it's still a very beautiful screen with very strong, vivid colors. The saturation is also really nice. I think this screen really just needed a bit more brightness. Now let's move on to the cameras, starting with the front one. It has a 12 megapixel camera recording in 4K at 60 frames per second. Guys, let's go ahead and take some photos and videos with its front camera. Here's the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition front camera at max resolution, 4K, 60 FPS. Check out the stabilized image quality. And now let's catch the shadow here. You can see the high dynamic range here. I'm in the shade, but the sun is visible in the background, showing high dynamic range works throughout. There are some clouds here. A truck just passed by. There are some clouds, but we can get a pretty good idea here. Look at the sky. Now it's just the sky, and now I'm here with you. Very good. Just a bit more stabilization for you. Now here, 100% because of the sun, okay?
The sky back there.
And here, this wonderful landscape as always. And here it is for you. Front camera, guys, really good on the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition, guys. This is the same camera that's on the whole S25 family, including the Ultra. It's the same 12 megapixel camera back there. It's an excellent camera with great photo and video quality, top-notch stabilization and high dynamic range, and an impressive front camera. Now let's look at the back, which features 3 cameras. There's a main one, 50 megapixels with optical image stabilization, a second one, 8 megapixels telephoto with 3 times optical zoom, and a third one, 12 megapixels ultra wide. All of this records in 8K at 30 frames per second maximum resolution. Let's take some photos and videos with the rear camera, then return to share our final thoughts and wrap up. Let's go, guys. We're using the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition's rear camera. That's me. Max resolution is 8K at 30 FPS. Walking a bit. Let's check the focus. Its focus locks quickly too. Very good. Awesome. And a device with stabilization in 8K at 30, huh? Look how awesome. Look how awesome. The stabilization is really good, by the way. It's in 8K at 30. Let's zoom in up to 5 times here. Look at the quality, the resolution. Look at the stabilization. Incredible, huh? Maximum zoom of 5 times in 8K at 30. Now we're back to 1 time. Very cool. Now let's switch to 4K at 30. Now 4K at 30 frames per second. Guys, we can even open up the wide angle here. Look, wide angle and zoom in up to 12 times. With stabilization in 4K at 30, okay? Very good. Now going back here to 1 time. And walk a little more so you can see, test it out, the stabilization of the device, which is very good, by the way. At least for me here, it seems to be excellent, okay? That's it. Rear camera 4K 30 on the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition. Samsung always delivers great cameras, and this one is no exception. Both the front and rear cameras are excellent. I really liked it. Now let's talk about the positive points, in my opinion, for this device here. Starting with the cameras, of course, I like them a lot. Both the front and rear cameras are really good. Its processor also surprised me in a positive way. It's a very good processor for the device. And its audio, the stereo sound, I also found excellent. And now let's get to the negative points. The price is still very high for this device. As for the battery, I think it's still lacking a bit too. Charging is 45 watts. A stronger charger would help. The screen could also be brighter. And this RAM, which doesn't go beyond 8 gigs, I also don't understand why. But anyway, I want to know what your opinion is. Comment down below what you think about this device. What's good about it, what's bad, what's worth it, and what's not. Your opinion always matters. Before you go, like, subscribe and turn on notifications and share it to help us out too, all right? We're in this together. Thanks. God bless you. Big hugs. See you next time. I'm out.